Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to change home screen wallpaper on iPhone. So if you don't want to use the same photo for your iPhone lock screen and home screen wallpaper, here how you can easily use a different photo for your iPhone home screen. So as you can see right now, I'm on my iPhone lock screen and this is my lock screen wallpaper, and I'm going to my iPhone home screen, and as you can see, I used the same photo for my home screen wallpaper also. And now I will show you how I can easily change or use a different photo for my home screen wallpaper. So first of all, I'm going to my iPhone settings, and here tapping on wallpaper, and let's create, or you can from here you can create a new wallpaper, but I'm going to selecting my existing wallpaper. And then okay, here tap on your select your current wallpaper first of all, then tap on your home screen wallpaper, and then tap on photo. And now from your photo you can select different photo for your home screen wallpaper. So I'm selecting this photo and disabling live photo and tapping on done, tapping on done again, and that's it. Now I'm going to my iPhone lock screen, and as you can see, this is my iPhone lock screen wallpaper and this is my iPhone home screen wallpaper. So this is how we can easily use a different photo for our iPhone home screen. And now I'll show you how you can create a new wallpaper and make your home wallpaper different. So go to settings again and go to wallpaper settings and tap on add new wallpaper, and I'm going to selecting this wallpaper for example and tapping on done, and here tap on customize home screen if you don't want to use the same wallpaper for your both lock screen and home screen. Just tap on customize home screen, and now just tap on photos, and now from your photo gallery you can select a different photo for your iPhone home screen wallpaper. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.